I'm going to show you how to remove a inner door trim panel. This is for a 2005 to 2010 Chrysler 300 or Dodge Magnum. And the process is similar for many other vehicles. There are 5 clips here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to remove all of them. Get a pointy tip and just lightly push this in. There we go. Again, very important when putting this pin in, you're pushing it in only about 2 millimeters. Very small. Now, if you push in all the way, don't worry, you can always get them out again later, or just buy some extra clips and you can always put it in. But the point is, do it very slowly. Next, you'll grab a pry bar. This is a door trim pry tool. And you'll just put that behind here and just pop it out slowly. There we go. The other one's out. There we go. Next, there is 4 Phillips screws to remove. Next, grab your pick or hook pick, and right here, push that out, and then there will either be one piece here or a piece right here in this case. There we go. Now grab a Phillips screwdriver. Now pull it straight up. Now to remove the interior door trim panel. There's a couple clips here. Let's see if I can show you it. Right here. Go ahead and release them all. Clip on this and right here. You just gotta squeeze it and pull it out. Oops. This you don't have to really take out the bulb, you just pull it out of the panel. But there is a clip right here if you want to remove it. Pull that out. Another one here. Just fill it. These are see right there. Just kind of push it up and pull it out. Simple. Now, it looks hard. It's really not. That piece right there. Let's try it with the hand. There we go. And then this rod-like piece, just pull it straight up. There we go. And now, that's it. That's how easy it is to take off the interior door trim panel. So just to re-emphasize what we did here, when we pulled it up, the panel, it was hanging on to these clips, 3 of them. So in this case, this one just popped out. And then disengage this, disengage these 3, and pull the light out, and this right here. Very easy to do. Okay, so this is the inner door trim panel and the rest of the door. Just going to show you what I'm going to do. This is going to go in here. That hole right here, the rod will go in here, and then I'll push this on. And then this piece, of course, will go through here. This piece will go right under here. And of course the last piece is the light switch right there. Let's do it. Before I install this, quick little tip. See these little clips right here? Well, there's one there, and that one is not in yet. That might happen when you're taking it off. So all you need to do is pull it down. See that? It slides up and down. Take the pry piece and lightly tap it. And there we go. Put the clips in. Okay. Yep. Make sure everything looks good. Line it up. When I put this on, I can just line these 3 clips up and push this down, making it much more simpler. Yep, it's in. Start putting the screws in. Gotta release these clips. Putting these clips in. There we go. And that's how you put on a inner door panel. This job should only take about 30 to 45 minutes to complete. It was actually not hard at all. Anyway, please like and subscribe and check out some of my other helpful videos.